Aloha everyone. In this video, I'm going to share the top 8 properties for 1031 exchange on Maui. I'm actually standing on the lanai of the #1 property on the list, Hanuakai Resort and Spa. I'm about to close on a 1031 exchange for one of my clients in a few weeks, so I'm just doing a final walkthrough. Stick around for the full video to see the other 7 properties. Let's jump right into it. A 1031 exchange is a swap of one real estate investment property for another that allows capital gains taxes to be deferred. The term gets its name from Section 1031 of the IRS's tax code. This code allows you to sell one of your existing investment properties and avoid capital gains taxes on that sale as long as you purchase another investment property of equal or greater value. There are very strict timelines and rules to follow. I'll share more details on that later in the video. In Hawaii, we do see a lot of investors that have sold their investment properties in other states and they now want to use their 1031 exchange funds to purchase a property somewhere in the Hawaiian Islands. I pulled a list of all the real estate transactions on Maui over the past 20 months that were recorded in the MLS as having 1031 sales terms. Let's jump right into it, starting with number 8. Kapalua Bay Villas, oceanfront on Maui's west side, had 6 1031 exchange transactions. This property is popular with investors because of its incredible location, sandwiched between some of Maui's most expensive real estate. Kapalua Bay Villas is comprised of 141 total units spread through 16.45 oceanfront acres. There are 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom floor plans, and just like every other property on this list, Kapalua Bay Villas does allow short-term rentals. Next on the list, also with 6 1031 exchange transactions, is Kamaole Sands in South Kihei. The property is set just across South Kihei Road from Kamaole 3 Beach. It is currently the second most affordable property on this list. There are a total of 440 units spread through 10 buildings on 15 acres, with 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom floor plans. Next on the list is the Mahana in Kaanapali. Set right on the ocean, the Mahana offers incredible, unobstructed front row ocean views. The property was built in 1975. It has 216 total units and it's 12 stories tall. Floor plans include studios, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom units. Next on the list is the Palms at Wailea. The Palms at Wailea is the only property on this list that is not set oceanfront or across the street from the beach. But it is set in the highly desirable and upscale neighborhood of Wailea, and it offers an incredible value when you consider the relatively high property values in the surrounding area. The development has a total of 150 units spread through 23 buildings, which are all 2 stories tall. Floor plans range from 1-bedroom, 2-bath, to 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Next on the list is Kauhali Makai, also known as Village by the Sea in North Kihei. This is the first property to have more than 6 1031 exchange transactions with a total of 7. Set directly beachfront, Kauhali Makai is not only the most affordable property on this list, it's also one of the most affordable vacation rentable condos on all of Maui. And it has a history of strong rental income in comparison to its purchase price, making it a great option for investors. The property has a total of 168 units spread through 2 buildings, which are 6 stories tall. Next on the list is Puamana in Lahaina, which had 7 different 1031 exchange transactions in the past 20 months. Puamana features a beautiful oceanfront pool and great surf breaks right in front of the property. Set on 30 oceanfront acres, it's low density and has more of the feel of a second home as opposed to a busy resort. There are 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and 4-bedroom floor plans to choose from. The property also includes tennis courts and a fantastic oceanfront clubhouse. Next on the list is Kaanapali Ali'i, also with 7 different 1031 exchange transactions in the past 20 months. The property is located directly on world-famous Kaanapali Beach. It's also easy walking distance to Kaanapali Golf Course and Whalers Village for dining and shopping. There are a total of 264 units spread through 4 buildings, which are all 11 stories tall. Floor plans range from 1 bedroom, 1 bath to 2 bedroom, 2 baths. Amenities include an oceanfront pool and spa, barbecue areas, tennis courts, a beautiful exercise room, and a clubhouse. This brings us to the number 1 property for 1031 exchange transactions over the past 20 months. Hanuakai Resort and Spa in Kaanapali had more than double the number of transactions than any other property on this list, with a total of 13. This is partially due to the fact that this is also the largest property on this list with 700 total units. Built in 2009, it's also by far the newest property on this list. Hanuakai has a history of producing strong rental income for its owners, and it's consistently ranked one of the best resorts in all of Hawaii. It's not hard to see why it's such a popular option for buyers that are looking for a replacement property on their 1031 exchange. Set on over 39 acres, the 2 towers are 10 stories tall at their highest point, and the floor plans range from studios all the way up to very large 3 bedrooms. If you are interested in finding a Maui investment property that you can purchase using 1031 exchange funds, please feel free to reach out to me directly. I've helped dozens of clients navigate the rules and timelines of this tax code. Also, if you want more information on any of the properties on this list, I've created a webpage with links to more information and current listings for the top 1031 exchange properties on Maui. I'll leave a link to this page in the description down below. So that's it for the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more relevant real estate content on Maui and throughout the Hawaiian Islands. We'll see you on the next one. Aloha.